Hello friends, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about this easy eyeliner, how to apply it in a lip gloss. So let's get started. So guys, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, this channel is all about health and beauty. Please subscribe. So now I'm gonna take this waterproof eyeliner. Is the same one that I used on my previous video. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how easy I apply this. By the way, guys, this look, you can add with eyelashes when you are done, but I prefer not adding eyelashes. I feel like it looks natural. So I'm just gonna zoom in and show you how I apply it, and then I hope you will enjoy the video, guys. So guys, remember, when applying eyeliner, it's very important to always follow your eye shape. You don't just apply anyhow, so you follow your eye shape. So that's the thing that will guide you. So you apply, I'll keep applying or adding more until I'm satisfied. So can you see how easy it is to apply, guys? This is it, guys. If you want, you can add with the eyelashes, because this is just completed. I like mine looking this way because I feel like it's more natural, even though I have short lashes. So now our next step, guys, I'm gonna take few of my lipsticks, and then I don't know which color I'll use today, but I think I'm gonna use the dark pink or red. I don't know, I'll see. This is my favorite lipstick, guys. It's close to pink and red. I don't know what you call that color. I just love this color, guys. So this is the one that I'm gonna use today. I think I did use it also in my previous video. So now, guys, I'm gonna use my index finger, as you can see. So the upper lip, I'm just adding a little bit because I have naturally, my lips is thicker, but if you have tiny lips, then you can add equal amount of the lipstick, and so that of course your lips can appear fuller. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take or apply my lip gloss to just add in the shine, and then yes, guys, we are done. We are good to go. I love it this way. I feel like it's more natural. And now I'm just gonna clean in where I need to clean. Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'm trying to grow there as well. I'll be uploading more over there once I have more followers. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thank you so much. Much love. Your support means a lot to me, guys. So please let me know what type of video you'd like me to upload next. Bye.